Yes. Today I'm going to narrate a story for you all. Okay. You should all listen carefully. You should all listen very carefully. Okay. Yes. Let's get into the story. Okay. There was a girl who's called as Joshi. Okay. There was a girl called as Joshi. And she's going to complete his 6 years. Okay, she's going to complete his 6 years, which means she's going to step into 7 years, which means she's going to have his birthday soon. Okay, so for that, what we will do? If it is a birthday party, what we will do? We will cut the cake, right? We will cut the cake. So because of this corona, will you all cut the cake? Can you all buy the cake? No, right? Because of this corona, we are all logged into home. So we couldn't buy the cake. What happened? Mother prepared the batter to prepare the cake. Yes. So Joshi was so excited. Joshi was so excited to make a cake. Okay, so Mama, can you please? And can I prepare a cake, please? Please, Mama, please. She was so request his mother to buy a to prepare a cake by himself. What happened? His mother also is in a hurry. She was in a hurry to prepare, and if it is a birthday, so many things is there. No, other than the cake, so many things is there. So she wants to go to the shopping also. So what happened? Mother said, okay, I prepare the cake. Now you have to prepare the cupcakes for your friends. Okay. You have to prepare the cupcakes for the return gift. What you people should remember, if it is a birthday, if somebody give the gift to you, what you will do? We will give the return gift, right? So for that, they are preparing a cupcake. So you please do this and I will go and do all those things. Okay. Now Joshi was so Joshi was alone and she has to prepare the cupcake. The batter is ready, but she wants to know the count of the cupcakes. Count of the cupcakes. Listen carefully, children. Listen very carefully. Okay. So he invited 3 friends with his siblings. Siblings means blood brother or sister. Okay, either elder or the younger. Sibling. Sibling means what? Sibling means blood brother or sister. Okay, those who bond with you is blood brother in your family. Okay, sibling. So she was counting that. She called 3 friends. She called 3 friends with the siblings. So how many she has to prepare? How many has to prepare? 3 times of 2. 3 times of 2 because they are going to come with their siblings. So 3 times means 2 plus 2 plus 2. Is friends 3 persons with the siblings. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. Could you add and mention the number in your chat box? Shaheen ma'am, could you help me?
6, ma'am.
Shaheen ma'am? Yes ma'am.
Yes, yes. 6 is the answer.
Somebody typed ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. 6 is the answer. 6.
So good.
Audible?
So good. I'm clapping for you children. So good. You all done a very good job. Okay. 6 members. Yes. What you have to do? First you have to add first 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then you will add with this answer with this 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. Now what happened is mother came. Okay. His mother came. See, I called the child called his friends alone. And his mother called his family too. So now the family is going to come. 3 family members going to come, which means mother, father, 2 children. So 4 members in each family, 3 families they called. Okay, now can you all, what will be the addition? 4 plus 4 plus 4. His mother told. Okay, now see, Joshi was little upset. Repeatedly, she wants to do the addition. Yes, repeated addition in the same number. Yes, listen carefully. It is a repeated addition of the same number. Same number. Okay. Now, what will be the answer? Can you type in the chat box? Can you type in the chat box? What will be the answer?
Answer is there.
Yes, ma'am.
12. 12.
Wow. So good, dear. So good. Who typed in the chat box? So good. Okay, 12. But Joshi was little, 6 years old only going to complete. Oh, she couldn't. She feels, mom, what, mom, is this? I have to do the same number again and again to do the addition. Okay. See, you all done? 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Yes? Yes? This mother was feeling bad, that Joshi was feeling bad. Ma, what it is? I am going to do the same again and again. Why I have to repeatedly add the same number? Repeatedly adding the same number. It's too boring. So his mom told, can you guess what I'm talking about? Before that, I just want you all think what about I'm talking about? Repeated addition of the same number is what? Can you type in the chat box, please, children? I request the parents to get the answer from the child. Please don't do your answers. Type your answers. I request your child's answer to be typed in the chat box. Shaheen ma'am, somebody typed in the chat box.
Nothing. Just multiplication. Yes. Good.
Wow.
Yes. Ma'am.
Who ma'am? Who did that answer?
Many wrote. 1 second.
I'm just clapping and thumbs up to you all, my dear children. Okay. So good. Multiplication. Yes, his mother taught multiplication to his child. You don't need to do the repeated addition again and again. Instead of that, if you muck up your tables, you can do the multiplication. Yes? Yes? I'm going to show. Joshi now did this cake 12 with easy step. What she did? 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Yes? 4 threes are 12. You all already remember the tables, right? 4 threes are 12. Before, what is that? 2 threes are 6. The same answer only, right? 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Sorry, my handwriting is not good. Excuse. Okay? It's the same only, right? Yes? So, now we are stepping into what chapter? Multiplication chapter. Yes. I over to Shaheen ma'am. Shaheen ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Rubni ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, children, my dear children. Yes, this is the chapter about multiplication. Yes. This is very interesting chapter. Yes. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes. My
Room is
dear
locked.
children. Yes.
Give me
Lesson number. Rubni ma'am, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. The room is locked. Yes, ma'am. She unlocked now. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Screen is visible, na? Yes, ma'am.
And video is.
Okay. Yes, continue. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Lesson number 4, multiplication. Yes, it's also very interesting chapter and it is also related to addition. Yes, how it is related to addition? Let's see. Okay, today we are going to learn multiplication, and multiplication means, what is the meaning of multiplication? Meaning of multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, yes, repeated addition. Yes, I will call Adrit. Adrit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, repeat with me. Multiplication means, what is the meaning of multiplication?
Multiplication means repeated addition.
Very good, Adrit. Super. Now, one more sentence you
Thank
have
you,
to read.
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, 1 second, Adrit. Wait. One more sentence is there. Okay. Yeah. Be with me. Now, listen carefully. That means repeated addition. If you do, you will get the answer as equal to multiplication. Now, yes, Adrit, is it possible for you to read?
Excuse me, ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
kindly put yourself
Yes,
my name.
ma'am. Let us
Yes.
do
No.
repeated addition. Repeated
Yes. Correct.
addition means
Means
adding the same
adding the
number again and
same
again.
number
In repeated
again and
addition,
again.
we add.
Yes, super Adrit. Yes, let's do repeated addition. Repeated addition means we are going to add the same number again and again. In
Okay,
repeated
ma'am.
addition, we add equal groups. We add equal groups. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Adrit. Yes.
Thank you,
Now,
ma'am.
okay. Next. Yes. Now, let's see one beautiful example. Yes, repeated addition example. Okay. Yeah, here is some pictures. What is that? Rinku Daddy. I will call. Rupni ma'am, can you call from 2C, one student?
Yes, ma'am.
2C student.
Uh,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ashwant, 2C.
Ashwan,
Ashwant.
2C, join me. Fastly join. Yes, Ashwan, see here. One example is there. Uh, Please don't write any name in the chat box. Okay, we are going to call just randomly. Please don't type any name in the chat box. Okay, yeah. Now example one, Ashwin. Yes, Rinku. Can you read? Rinku dad gets home 5 boxes of mangoes. Repeat with me. Ashwan. Rinku's dad gets home. You must read properly. Then only I'm going to call the student name. Those who are reading correctly. Okay, read with me. Okay. Rinku's dad
Rinku's dad
gets home
gets home
5 boxes of mangoes.
bags of sauce, mangoes.
Each box has four.
Each as for more. For
So how you will calculate? Thank you, Ashwant. Very good. Okay, practice. You must practice. Okay, very good, Ashwant. Okay, yes. Thank you, Ashwant. Now see here, Rinku's father bought 5 boxes of mangoes, and inside the box, how many mangoes are there? In this box, 4 mango is there. Inside this box, 4 mango. Again, inside this box, 4 and 4, and this box also having 4. Now we have to count all the boxes. So what the Rinku did? Okay. So let's see what the Rinku did. So Rinku first thought. Okay. So Rinku wants to know how many mangoes are there. How many mangoes are there in 5 boxes? To find the answer, we count all the mangoes and in the 5. It will take long time na, to calculate 1 1 1. So what she did is she did another method. Let's see what is that another method. Yes, Rinku used another way of counting. to find the total number of mangoes. Yes, yeah, he added 5 times 4. How many times? There are 5 boxes now. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Yes, and he got the answer 20. So it's a very easy method. So let's see one more time the picture. Okay, ma, please mute. Someone has unmuted. Let me show the picture of that boxes. Here is that. Now Rinku counted the boxes.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me. Kavin 2D, kindly mute yourself, my dear.
Please mute it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
4
ma'am.
plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we will get the answer. Yes. Mm. Ishant 2D. Ishant, are you there 2D? Ishant? Join me fastly. Are you there? So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then 8 plus 4 will become 8 plus 4 will become 12. Then 12 plus 4 will become 16th. Are you there? No? Okay. And 4 plus 16 plus 4 will become 20. So the answer is 20. So how total mangoes are 20 mangoes in the boxes. Okay. So total mangoes are 20 mangoes. Okay. Yes, 20 mangoes. So we got the answer easily. So like this, we are going to do today all repeated addition. Okay. Yes. I am going to call Rubni ma'am. Can you call one student from 2C? 2C, one student.
Yoshana 2C. Yoshana 2C, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second.
Yoshana 2C.
Yoshana, join me. Are you there, Joshna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let's. Joshna,
Yes, ma'am.
the leaves. Tell me how many leaves are there in the first one? Yes, in one box. How many
Three.
leaves are there? Three.
Three.
Very good. Three. Next. Next one.
Three.
Three. Okay. Then again, you have to put plus.
Three.
Then
Three.
three. So count it total. How many leaves are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3.
Nine.
Very good. So you know how to do repeated addition? 3 plus 3 is equal
Thank you,
to
ma'am.
6 plus 3 is equal to
Nine.
9. Very good. This star is for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Please, others mute. Please, all others mute. Yes. Now, yes. Kavin S from 2D. Join me. Kavin S, are you there? Join me fastly. Fast. Are you there? Kavin S? No, Kavin? Not there? Okay, next.
There, ma'am. Kavin 2D. Kavin. Yes, Kavin 2D. Kindly unmute and talk, ma'am. Kavin.
Are you there? No? Okay, you can
She's not.
call any other
He's not
student, ma'am.
responding. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Other student.
Rayan 2D.
Rayan
Can you
2D, join me. Fastly join. Rayan.
No response.
No,
Okay.
Rayan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
No,
See here.
it's not Rayan. It's not Rayan. Somebody. What's your name, child?
Laya. Laya
Okay.
2C. Okay, join me. Laya, come. Let's do the sum. Okay, this is repeated addition. See here, cup cakes are there? How many cupcakes are there in first box? How many? 5. Very good. Then what to do? Add. Okay, we have to do all addition. So here, how many cupcakes? Next box. Next box. 5. Again 5. Superb. Then this one, third box.
5.
5. Very good. Then we are going to add fourth one. How many? 5. Okay. Shall we start counting? 5 plus 5 is equal to how much? 5 plus 5 is equal to 4 5s are there, na? So first 2 5 we will add it. 5 plus 5 is equal to how much? 10. Okay. 10 plus 5 is equal to how much?
20.
How much? 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Then last 5 is there. So 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Very good. So total 4 5 is equal to 20. Okay, you can do easily. This 2 5, 5 plus 5 10, 5 plus 5 10 is equal to 10 plus 10 20. What is your name? Laya? How many cupcakes are there? 20 cupcakes. Yes, thank you. Star for you, Laya. Okay, fine. One more student, ma'am. Yes,
Madhavan 2D.
yes.
Madhavan,
Madhavan,
here.
join me. Yes.
Response, ma'am. Uh,
No. Okay. C section. Anyone is there?
Ojasvi 2D.
2D. Who?
Ma'am.
Ojasvi, ma'am.
Yes. Come.
Ojasvi.
Join me. Who is that?
Mr.
Who is
Mrinalili 2C, ma'am.
Rinalini? Are you there?
Ma'am.
Yes. Come on, join me. Rinalini. Yes. See here, cups are there. First box. How many cups are there? Who is there? Mirlandi? Not there? Not there? Okay, ma'am. Some other student? No? Okay. Akash 2D. Are you there?
Yeah, ma'am.
4 cupcakes is there, ma'am.
Who is there? Who is speaking? Mrilani. Mrilani, are you there? Okay. Speak loudly. Little louder.
4 cupcakes.
4. 4 cups. Plus one more second group is there. How many in that? Again, same number. 4. How many times I have to write? How many times? 1, 2, 3. Then this one is there.
4.
This one. 4. Again, one more time.
5.
So you will count and tell me how many? 4 plus 4 is equal to how much, ma? This 4 plus 4 is equal to 8.
20.
8 plus, how many 4s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 4. 5 4s are? 5 4s are? Okay. Otherwise, do addition. Mrinalini, are you there? Otherwise, please mute. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 and this 4 will become 1 second. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to
நான் சொன்னேன் 20.
yes, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 1 second. 16 and then this 16 plus last 4 is equal to how much? 16 plus 4? 20. So total 5 4 is equal to 20. How many? Yes, 20 cups are there. Okay. You can do even finger counting also. Okay, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Like that, you can take the finger and count it. Okay, 4 fingers you keep it, then count it after. Huh? Then it will be easy. 4 cups. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 5 times 4 is equal to 20 cups. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Mute it. Yes, ma'am. One more student. Yes. This is the one more sum we are going to do.
Kanishka Sri, kindly mute yourself, ma. Answer was given by Kanishka Sri, ma.
Yes, Kanishka. Okay, thank you, Kanishka. Please mute. Now, here are some flowers. Yes.
Ramkrish, 2D, Ramkrish.
Ramkrish, join me.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
I am
Yes.
Ramakrishnan. I am studying in 2D. Jai
Very good.
Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, my dear student. Okay, now you can see here flowers. We are going to do repeated addition. Okay, so
Okay.
tell me in first group how many colorful flowers are there?
Ma'am.
How many flowers are
6,
there?
ma'am.
6. Very good. Yes, and same thing we are going to repeat in how many times? 1. Again 6 we will write. Again 1, 2. This
3
is
times, ma'am.
3 times 6. So 3 times 6 will become how many flowers? Total flower. 6 plus 6 is equal to.
Yes, ma'am.
How you did, ma? Can you tell me how you
Yes,
did?
ma'am. Addition.
Addition. 6. First 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to
18.
18. So correct. Very good, Ramakrishnan. So here is a total flowers are 18 flowers. So
18.
fast. Yes, very good. Star for you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, bye. Next, ma'am. One more sum is there. Very interesting sum. Let's see it. Yes, ma'am. One more. Last sum.
2D, Rukshan. Rukshan,
Rukshan, join me.
Roshan 2D.
Good morning, ma'am, sir.
Yes, are you
Good
there?
morning, ma'am.
Roshan? Roshan? Yes. Okay, Roshan, you can see here smileys are there. Beautiful blue color smileys. Yes. Now let's count the smileys. Yes, in first group, how many smileys there?
1,
2
2,
smileys.
ma'am.
How many twos I have to write? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Why 2, ma'am?
5 twos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to how many? Count and tell me. 2 plus 2 is equal to
10, ma'am.
4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is
8,
equal
ma'am.
to 10.
10.
How many? Roshan, count it
10,
one more
ma'am.
time. 2 plus 2 is equal to, tell me. This 2 is equal to
4.
how many? 4. And join this
4,
another
ma'am.
2. 4 plus 2 is equal to
6, ma'am.
6. 6 plus 2.
8, ma'am.
8 plus 2.
10, ma'am.
10. So total smiley is 10. Very good. You did it. You did correctly. Star for you, Roshan. Okay, you did
Thank
correctly
you,
addition.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you, my dear children. Okay, now you got it how to do the repeated addition. So today, please practice all these repeated additions. Okay, like this, it will be there, and you must know how to do the repeated addition correctly. Okay, first you learn repeated addition 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 like this. Okay, repeated addition practice. Then we will go for multiplication. Okay, first you practice the repeated addition. Okay, clear? And now, ma'am, one student from 2C, Rubni ma'am.
Wait, ma'am, 1 second. Uh, Mitra 2C. Mitra.
Yes, Mitra.
Jai Gurudev.
The Max practice sheet. Okay, so here in this sheet from the first chapter, you must recall all the things, number names, everything you must know. Okay, let's see how many students know my students correctly. Who is there? Mitra. Mitra, yes, see here, first complete the box. Here in 100, tens, ones box is there. Can you see? Mitra? Mitra, are you there online? Mitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see, you can see the here 10, 100, tens, ones box is there. And in that number is there 324. What is the next number?
3.
324. Next number? 300.
324. 325.
325. Very good.
5.
Next number? Next after
320.
that? Very good. 26. Next number?
327.
Very good. Next number?
328.
Very good. Who is this Mitra? Star for you. Superb. Correctly you did. Well
Thank
done.
you,
Superb.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yes. Next. Ma'am, from 2D, one student.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Yeah.
Uh, Sanjana as 2D. Sanjana as
Sanjana,
2D. Sanjana, are you there, Sanjana?
Sanjana, join.
Okay. Udisha 2D. Udisha, can you
Good
unmute?
Udisha.
morning, ma'am. Good
Yes,
morning,
good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning, ma. Dear, here you can see the Roman letter 2. You have to find, you have to write the number that comes before or after. Okay. So tell me which number.
233.
Oh,
233.
233. Very good. One more sum. 580. After 580, what number will come?
Add 1, ma'am.
Add one. Very good. What is that number?
581.
Very good. Fantastic. 581. Next, one more sum is there. 600.
670.
Yes, 671 before. You have to do 1 minus. So what is the number? 670.
70.
Wow, Odisha, star for you. Superly done. Very nice.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
this, thank you, ma'am. Okay. Next, ma'am. Rubni, ma'am. Rubni, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yashika
Ah,
J.
Yashika.
Yashika, ma'am. YA. Yashika.
Yashika. Yashika, join fastly. Not there, Yashika. Very voice is very low. Yes, Yashika, a very low voice. Yashika parent, please increase the volume, na? She is speaking, but it's very low. Yashika parent, can you, okay. Can you tell me, put the correct sign? 426. Which will come? Greater sign. Which side will be the greater sign? 426 or 246? Which is greater?
426, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Next, 117, 711. Which is greater?
711.
711. Very good. Next, 659, 659. Which sign will come?
Is equal to.
Equal to. Very good. Star for you. Here comes the star. Thank you. Star for you. Yes. Next. Next, ma'am. One more student.
Yes, ma'am. Yohit B. YOHIT. Yohit B.
Yohit, are you there? Join me fastly. Yes, ascending order. We are going to do ascending order. Tell me, here are the numbers. You have to tell me the numbers. Ascending order. Yes. Which one, which number will come first? Tell me. Which is the smallest number? Ascending means small to big. Which is the small number here? In this
9, ma'am.
99. Next. Next number.
138.
Next.
20,
Next. 200.
250, ma'am.
Next.
357.
Wow. Very good. Super. One more sum. We will do one more sum also. Yes. Tell me one more sum.
451.
For small. 400. It's little confusing. Do it carefully.
415.
Very good. 415. Next.
415.
400.
432.
Very good. Next.
451.
Very nice. Next.
457.
67.
7.
Very good. Yes. The beautiful star for you. Superly done. Star for you. Okay. 2 star for you. Thank you. Thank you. So like this you have to do. Okay. One more. Last one. Yes, ma'am. Rubni, ma'am.
5 minutes, ma'am. Last 5 minutes.
Last 5 minutes. Last student. Only last one student will give a chance.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
we will send you.
Vidyut.
Yeah, this worksheet we will send you in group in the app. You will get in the app with solution. Okay, you can practice it. Yeah,
Vidyut 2C. Vidyut 2C.
this is the last student. That's it because time is up. So only last one. Vidyut, come join me fastly. Not there. Fastly, Vidyut. Speak loudly.
Volume. Volume Vidyut.
Vidyut, not audible.
629.
Now okay. Yes, first one. This you have to do descending order. Descending order. Descending means big to small. Which number will come? Tell me.
629.
Superb. Next.
626. 622. 621.
22. Then comes 620.
21.
Very good. Next. Next line. Next question also you can do. Yes. Next question.
811.
Okay.
701. 325. 199.
325. Then
199.
1 second. 199.
99.
Very good. Superb. Star for you, Vidyut. One more star. 2 star for you. Thank you, Vidyut.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Okay. So, this all we are going to send you. Okay. And practice it. Okay. Any doubt in repeated addition, and please practice the repeated additions. classwork notes will be sent to you. This will be
Ma'am,
the class.
classwork.
Yeah. This is the classwork notes. 1 and 2 apples you have to draw, and you have to write 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 15 apple. Repeated addition. Okay. And this one, balloons are there. You have to write 2 plus 2 plus 2 like this. Okay. So 4 questions will be there. Afterwards, we will send it to you. Send it in the app. You can refer from there. Okay. Within 1 or 2 days, we'll send you. Okay. So you can refer and you can write. So those who are having the reader, they can see it, the example sum, and they can practice it. Okay. So these lollipops are there. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, and these are the trees. 3 plus 3 plus. Ma, please don't touch the screen. Any doubt?
No any doubts.
Any doubt is there? You can do repeated addition properly, and please practice the number names, ascending order, descending order, everything daily you have to practice. At least Saturday, Sunday, holidays time, you have to practice all the things. Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Any doubt? Anyone is having any doubt? Rubni ma'am, anything is left? Rubni ma'am, anything is there?
Thank you, children.
Ma'am,
Rajeshwari ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
ma'am,
Thank you, Shahin ma'am.
write
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the